In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Google Business Profile. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Google account that manages your business profile. If you oversee more than one location, confirm you're on the correct location so you don't update the wrong listing. Start by going to business.google.com. This takes you to the Business Profile Manager, the central place where you control how your business appears across Google Search and Maps. Once the page loads, look for the Edit Profile button on your dashboard. Click it to open your profile details. Inside the profile editor, scroll until you find the section labeled Contact Information. This is where your key customer touchpoints live, including your phone number. Keeping this accurate is essential since many customers will tap to call directly from your listing. Out-of-date numbers can lead to missed calls and missed opportunities. Next, locate the phone number field and click the pencil icon beside it to make changes. This opens the editing window for your phone details. Take a moment here to think about the number you want customers to reach. It should be a line that's actively monitored during your stated business hours, and ideally one that connects callers quickly to a real person or a reliable voicemail. Enter your new phone number in the field provided. Include the full number with area code, and add your country code if you serve or receive calls from outside your country. Google will usually format the number for you, but accuracy matters more than formatting. If you use a call tracking number, make sure it correctly forwards to your main line so you don't lose important calls. Consistency helps too. Using the same number across your website and other listings can improve trust and help customers recognize your business. When you're confident the number is correct, click Save. Your change is now submitted to Google. Most updates appear quickly, though sometimes Google may review them for quality and accuracy. If the update doesn't show immediately on Search or Maps, give it a little time. You can refresh your Business Profile Manager to confirm the new number is saved, and if something looks off, simply reopen the editor and adjust it. That's all you need to do. Keeping your phone number current ensures customers can reach you without friction, which can directly impact leads and sales. Thanks for watching, and keep your profile details accurate so your business is always easy to contact.